All right, so this question or this section is called fractional linear equations, and you're going to get stuff like this. So fractional just means you're going to have a fraction, and it's a linear equation, meaning that, x, you're going to have x's in it, but no x squareds, no x cubes, or anything like that. And, the easiest way for me, this is just my opinion, the easiest way for me to do these is to get rid of this 1/3. You can distribute the 1/3 if you'd like, right? Like you could do that, and you would get 15 is equal to 1/3 x plus, 1/3 of 9 is 3. That's a terrible 3. You could minus 3 on both sides, and you get 12 is equal to 1/3 x. And then you can multiply by 3 on both sides, and you would get 36 is equal to, the 3's cancel here, so you're just left with 1x. You can do that. That's one way to do it. For me personally, this is just one opinion, I think it's easier to get rid of the 1/3 first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 3. Really, whatever this number is, that's what I'm multiplying by, because it's going to get rid of that number on the bottom there. Okay. When I do that, 3 times 15 is 45. And 3 times 1/3 cancels. Now, I don't have to distribute the 3 to the x plus 9 because, and a lot of people are surprised to hear that, but it's because there's multiplication going on inside here, right? If it was 1/3 plus x plus 9 and then we were multiplying by 3, yeah, you would distribute in that scenario. But this is, see how there's multiplication going on here? You don't have to distribute there. So when you do this, what happens is the 3 and the 1/3 cancel, and you're literally just left with x plus 9, and then you don't have to worry about fractions at all. Like, we're done. 45 minus 9 is 36, and that's it. That's your answer. That's the same answer we just had a minute ago. So that's how I recommend doing these. Like, they look terrible, but they're really not that bad. Let's look at another one. What about this? So where we have like 3/7. Again, like whatever this number happens to be here on the bottom, just multiply by that. So multiply by 7 on both sides. And you'll get 28 is equal to, the 7's cancel, right? So that 7 and that 7 cancel, and you're left with 3, this 3 here. And then 3x plus 14. Now, if you want, you can divide by 3 on both sides. It'll get rid of the 3 here. I think I'm just going to distribute this. So we got 28 is equal to 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times 14 is 42. And then I'm going to subtract 42 from both sides. And the rest is just kind of algebra stuff. So this is negative 14 is equal to 9x. And then we divide by 9. And then that's our answer. So x is equal to negative 14 over 9. You will get some decimals answers here. I just leave it as a fraction. You don't need to type that into your calculator. Just put negative 14 and then divided by, that's how you get a fraction, divided by 9. And you're good to go. Okay? All right, one more. What would we do on this one? So I'm going to multiply by 3 on both sides here. And when I do that, I get 45 is equal to 2 parentheses 4x plus 9. So the 3's cancel there. Let's distribute here. So we got 45 is equal to 8x plus 18 minus 18 on both sides. So we get 27 is equal to 8x. We divide by 8, and that's our answer. So 27 over 8 is equal to x. So you'll get a lot of fraction answers for problems like these, but that's okay.